Hello friends! In this video I'm making a classic Spanish dessert, Tarta de Santiago. It's super easy to make and has a light nutty almond flavor. In a mixing bowl I combine almond flour, sugar, cinnamon, cardamom and vanilla extract. I mix until the dry ingredients are evenly blended. I beat in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each until smooth. Then I add finely grated lemon zest and keep mixing until the batter is thick and uniform. I've greased the pan with butter and dusted it with powdered sugar. This creates a caramel-like crust. I pour the batter into the prepared pan. I bake it in a preheated oven. The temperature and baking time are in the description below. Check if the tart is done by inserting a wooden skewer. For the stencil, I print the cross of St. James and cut it out of paper. I lightly brush the tart with water and carefully place the stencil on top. I dust it generously with powdered sugar, then gently lift off the stencil. Hope this video was helpful. See you next time.